In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Zoho CRM trial. Whether you're exploring Zoho CRM to see if it's the right fit for your business or you're just testing it out for a project, understanding how to cancel your trial is something you might need to do. Let's dive right in and explore how this process unfolds. Zoho CRM offers a standalone version of their platform as a free trial for 15 days. This free version gives you the opportunity to explore all its features and capabilities in a comprehensive environment. However, sometimes you may decide that it's not what you need, or perhaps you aren't ready to commit to a paid subscription after the trial period ends. Here's the important bit. For the standard Zoho CRM standalone trial, there's no need for a manual cancellation process. This might come as a relief to some of you because instead of finding a cancel button and going through multiple confirmation steps, Zoho CRM has designed the trial to make it seamless and hassle-free for users who decide not to proceed with a paid plan. What happens is pretty straightforward. Once the 15-day free trial period concludes, your account will automatically revert to what's known as the free edition. This means that rather than your access being cut off, or you being charged for a subscription you didn't intend to commit to, Zoho shifts your account to a basic level of access. This free edition allows you to continue using Zoho CRM, but with limited functionality compared to the trial version. Now, you might be wondering what changes with this transition. The free edition will have fewer integrated features and less storage compared to what you experienced during your trial. For those of you who are using Zoho CRM for a small-scale or personal project, this could still work perfectly fine without any added costs. If after trying the free edition, you find that you require the more advanced features, you have the option to upgrade to a paid subscription that best fits your needs. Although there's nothing that needs to be done to cancel, it's wise to keep track of when your trial ends, so you aren't taken by surprise by changes in functionality. You can manage your settings and review upgrade options directly in your account dashboard if you change your mind or need a change in the level of service. To wrap this up, while there isn't a specific cancel button for the Zoho CRM trial, the platform's method of automatically transitioning to a free edition ensures you're not inadvertently caught in a subscription. It's a user-friendly system designed to give you control and flexibility. If you found the trial useful and see the value in its advanced features, upgrading could be your next step. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to reach out with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.